Alright folks, we've got some breaking news that has left many in shock and mourning. Last night, on May 17, 2025, the Mexican Navy training ship Cuauhtémoc collided with the iconic Brooklyn Bridge, a tragic incident that has claimed lives and left many injured. The Cuauhtémoc, a majestic vessel used for cadet training, was on a 254-day promotional tour celebrating the 200th anniversary of Mexican independence. However, the celebration turned into a nightmare when the ship lost power while navigating the East River. Eyewitness videos show sailors in ceremonial uniforms on the yardarms just moments before the collision. The ship's three towering masts snapped upon impact. Tragically, 2 Mexican Navy cadets lost their lives in the incident, and 22 crew members were injured, with 11 in critical condition. The collision has halted the Cuauhtémoc's voyage, which had been scheduled to visit 22 ports in 15 countries. The ship, carrying 277 people, had departed from Acapulco on April 6, 2025. Now, it sits docked on the East River, visibly damaged. In a heartfelt response, Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum expressed her deep sadness and extended her condolences to the families of the deceased. The Mexican government is actively supporting the wounded and working to reunite them with their families. New York City Mayor Eric Adams confirmed that no injuries were reported on the bridge itself, which remains structurally sound despite the collision. The Brooklyn Bridge, a historic marvel opened in 1883, continues to carry over 100,000 vehicles and 32,000 pedestrians daily. Eyewitnesses Sidney Nidell and Lily Katz described the harrowing scene, recounting how they saw someone dangling from the ship for about 15 minutes before being rescued. They also witnessed 2 people being removed on stretchers. As investigations continue into the cause of the power loss that led to this tragic event, the focus remains on aiding the survivors and honoring the memory of those lost. If you found this update informative, please like, comment, and subscribe for more breaking news updates. Your support helps us bring you the latest and most important stories. Stay safe, everyone. See you in the next video.